Hello guys, this is Kenneth with another video. I'm having a bit of a problem with this another trader platform. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's try to work though. As I said, this is Kenneth with another video. I come again with a market analysis video, and right now we're gonna be talking about GBP Swiss, guys. I think it's interesting, and that's why I'm sharing it. So let's get started. Here we have a low, a high, a higher low, right? So naturally, in this case, would expect what a new higher high, but that's not what price did. After price created this low and this high and this higher low, the market failed to break above the previous high, and that's creating what a lower high compared to the previous high, and that's when price started pushing to the downside. So in this case, we can clearly see that what the market created here was a form of okay, let me do this. It was a form of a symmetrical triangle, right? So this is what the market created, and then we had this touch here, we had another touch at the top, a touch below, a touch at the top. We were expecting price to come here and make this touch and continue higher, but what the market did is that it decided to break below, and now what we are seeing is this retest that can potentially push us to the downside. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, what I'm looking for personally is for price to potentially go to the downside, and I'm going to explain a little bit more about that on the daily chart. All right, so yeah, let's go there. On the daily time frame, okay, so on the daily time frame, we can see the trend line that we broke, and it's the same trend line that we are currently retesting. So what do we have here? We had price push up, price come down, price push up, and then we had price coming down. So what we are retesting is this levels around here for pushes to the downside. All right, so what else do we have? Number one, as I said, we have a retest of the trend line. We have a resistance level there. Number three, I think, is it number three? It's a supply zone over here, all right, for potential pushes now. And number four, we are on the Fibonacci golden zone. So let me start from this high to this low. As you can see, the 618 and the 50 zone, right? So we are on the Fibonacci golden zone. That's increasing the chances of price doing what? Going to the downside. But to confirm that, what we will need is for price to break back below the trend line, and then from there we can set up a potential trade, for pushes to the downside. And our targets can come probably somewhere around here. Okay, so if that's if the market actually does what we want it to do. The other side is price can actually just break back into, above the trend line, and then from there we can look for a retest of the support of what will then be a support for potential pushes to the upside. That's another scenario, guys, that we need to consider. But for now, I'm expecting the market to actually go to the downside and not to the upside as a result of what we have. All right, so remember, we have this situation over here, and right now we are retesting sort of like a neckline of a potential double top formation for pushes to the to the downside. So let's see if the market will give us that, and if it does, that will be great. If it doesn't, that will be okay. We can get that break in, a retest, and then look for buying opportunities. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it on GBP Swiss. I'm hoping to see some selling opportunities for more pushes to the downside. With that said, I'm done. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next video.